Hey, what's up guys, it's the Kid, and today we're here in another video, and we're going to be filming just some riding clips of the Macfox X7. I promised you guys a review, so let's get straight into the review. Alright, so we're going to do some laps. Alright, so I've had this bike for about 1.5 months, maybe 2. I've ridden 384 miles, and honestly, this is a perfect bike. So I'm going to show some more riding footage. Let's get straight into it. This bike has only front suspension, unfortunately. If you want to spend 300 extra bucks for the X2, you could. You get back suspension also. So we're gonna go somewhere else. So let's just go right there. So we'll be right back. Alright, now we're back. I'm running over there, so I did this here for a little. And we'll go somewhere else, and then, yeah. Alright, so let's just... Alright, now, you know how everyone tries to do no-handers and touch their tire? So, I could do that. Watch this. I touched it. So, about the Macfox X7, if you're planning to get it, honestly, it's a really good beginner bike if you want street legal and also, like, really fun. There's the front brake right here. There's the back brake sensor. If you take it off, it's completely legal, trust me. Comes with the tail light. Pretty good brakes. Mid or hub drive mode, I forgot. Passenger pigs, which I'm pretty sure are legal. Red owes me a ball honk. Remember that whenever Red did a video right there on my bike, he tilted this up and I was like, you owe me a ball honk. Alright, well, fat tires, pretty good in long battery life. On mode 1, 10 miles per hour, you could go like 60 miles of range, I believe. And it has a very, 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 very comfortable seat. And also, hit combos on. And only at $1,400 if you use all the discount codes, because they always have a discount code, bro. And that's when you want to ask Macfox. So also, if you want to get like a cheaper alternative for the X7, get the M16. It is like 3 inches smaller, I would say, but for $900, which is really good. Also, it has a really strong kickstand, but not the kickstand that you would trust for your life, like a motorcycle kickstand. It let's just say a Kawasaki Ninja kickstand or something. I don't even know if they have kickstands, to be honest. And you could put a pro taper bar pad right here, which I also really like the Macfox right here. If you want to go get this bike, you could either get it in store at their warehouse, and also their website is macfoxbike.com. That is MacFoxBike.com. And thank you guys for watching. And if you guys want to see a little bit more riding, stay to the very end. Alright, so that jump right there, me and my friend built it a while back. I might have posted a couple of clips, to be honest, but it used to be an actual jump, and now it's honestly completely because of BMX kids. No offense if you're watching this. I know that it's not like the best compared to the other jumps that I always film on. Hoping that I can find this one thing here, like 15,000 on. His name is MX8. He lives in the right on there. If you want to follow him, he's on Instagram and TikTok, MX8. Alright guys, so I'm just going to do a quick, like tiny loop, and then that'll be the end of the video. So, overall, the Macfox X7 is a great bike. And if you're a little too small for it, get the Macfox X1S, or the X2. And then, if you want an electric scooter, get the Phantom Go-Go R1. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Peace!